Hello and welcome to today's video on men's fashion tips. Whether you are dressing for a special occasion, a job interview, or just for everyday wear, looking sharp in a suit can make all the difference. But with so many styles, fabrics, and accessories to choose from, it can be difficult to know where to start. That's why we have put together this comprehensive guide on how to suit up, so you can look and feel your best, no matter the occasion. Body. Choose the right fit. The first step in suiting up is choosing the right fit. It's important to remember that not all suits are created equal, and finding a suit that fits well can be a challenge. The key to a good fit is to make sure that the jacket and trousers are well tailored to your body. Look for a suit that fits snugly through the chest and shoulders, with a tapered waist and slimmer trousers. And when trying on suits, be sure to wear the dress shoes you plan on wearing with the suit. Select the right style. Once you have found a suit that fits well, it's time to select the right style. There are many different styles of suits to choose from, including classic, modern, and slim fit. Consider the occasion you'll be wearing the suit for, as well as your personal style, to determine which style is right for you. Fabric is important. The fabric of your suit is another important consideration. Common suit fabrics include wool, cotton, linen, and silk, each with its own unique look and feel. It's important to choose a fabric that is both comfortable and appropriate for the occasion. Wool is a classic choice for a formal event, while cotton or linen is a great choice for a summer wedding or outdoor event. Pay attention to color. Color is another important factor in suiting up. Neutral colors such as black, navy, and gray are always safe options and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. But don't be afraid to add a pop of color with a bold tie or pocket square. Just make sure that the color you choose complements the rest of your outfit. Accessories are the finishing touches that can take your suit to the next level. A well-chosen tie, pocket square, or cufflinks can add a touch of personality to your outfit. Consider the occasion and your personal style when choosing accessories. A silk tie with a bold pattern is perfect for a special event, while a classic leather belt and dress shoes will always be a stylish choice. Conclusion. In conclusion, suiting up can be a challenge, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to looking and feeling your best. Remember to choose the right fit, style, fabric, and accessories, and pay attention to color. With these tips in mind, you'll be ready to suit up for any occasion with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content on men's fashion and style.